Okay, so let's talk about Senton again, because we have a new light bar. I know a lot of you guys are cutting the windshield, you're cutting it out. Some of you are just removing the paint from this and you leaving this clear. And we have a new light bar, this light bar, as you can see here. This mounts right from the inside. And you're gonna have a trophy truck light bar style, just like in the UDR from Traxxas, or just like the one we have for the Arrma Mojave. Let me show you, we have another body we have for prototyping, this body. I'm gonna show you there how to mount the new light bar from the inside. Okay, let's put this aside. Let me show you this body. That's what I was saying. You see that we have this clear windshield. It's not that clean, but it looks great. So what we're gonna do is we will install these lights here. You will have the lights right there. If you remove the windshield, you can just get a better scale look. Let me show you how bright the lights are. I'm gonna connect it to the car. Lights are super bright. It comes with 2 screws. We have to remove the screws first. And then we have to make 2 holes here in the body, right? Maybe because this is a prototype body, we are using it for prototypes. It's full of holes everywhere, so we're gonna have to make a hole almost here and here, and we can just use the lights to measure where we have to make the holes. Okay, as I was saying previously, we just like putting the lights maybe here. That is up to you. It depends on your setup. There. I would love it there. So I'll mark it down and I'll make the holes. Okay, we made the 2 holes right here and here. Now I'm going to remove this old light bar, discontinued light bar, and I'm going to mount this, because the holes are right under there, as you can see. So I have to remove this. Okay, we just finished mounting the light bar with the 2 screws from the top. You can barely see them. They are here and here. The other holes, just don't mind the other holes. Okay, let's connect it to the car just to see how they look like. Okay, there you go. Let me put the body here. Okay, so this is the way it looks like. My windshield is pretty dirty. That's the reason why you see it all foggy. But the best way, if you paint it or if you remove it, if you cut it out, it will look great. It will look like the Arrma Mojave or like the UDR. Let me show you. Yeah, I would totally recommend you to have a cleaner windshield or just cut it out. Oh, by the way, if you also want to use this roof light bar together with this one, you can totally do it, because the holes don't match. So you install first this one and then the other one.